Kaseng Kongres ha kasngi palai jong ka arpu pratare ko nailar kalara ya ka jinge shau lampang ka yung darbar thawain ka jelaw thomasai sangma badweng kamno ya ki saungut ki MLA Kaseng Kongres ki bala phetno na Kaseng Kongres kata uba Roni Lengdo uba Celestin Lengdo uba Gabriel Walang bat uba Charles Marngar Sekretari Kaseng Kongres Manuel Badwar ulam mudu ya kene ka dorkas na kaliang jong kaseng persya ya kene ke MLA Kiba Leit Ïasoh Sha ke parti NPP. Kaseng ha kasengi palai kala budin ya ke mukoduma ban weng kamno ya ki saungut ke MLA Kiba Leit Phetno pat ya unong mudu uba Roni rengkat bat ulampang dorbar lemba sekretari ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Manuel Badwar kaseng kala ujor mukaddima persyaru ya ba Roni namar ba ulahap ha kaju kapang bat ki wipat ki laingut ki MLA namar ba umino na kaseng klem debut ya ka rukom trekam jong kaseng ya kini ka jing ujor Pynduhkam ka bamenta labudu ya rengkat ban Pynduhkam Noh ya kini ki saungut ki MLA ki bala phetno namar ba kimsham labud ya ki ain ki babyang ki bala long persya ya ka tan shadal jong ka riti sensar kari India.
It becomes null and void, or how does it work?
So yeah, it's not null and void, infructuous, right? So which means it's more or less like we have to start all over again, because the fact that the MLA who had filed a petition himself from the Congress party had left the party. So obviously whatever progress we've made up to that level, that progress has been taken back. So we need to start all over again. But since it's a triggering effect, right? So even this MLA who's left also now will fall under that entire process that we're filing the petition for. Okay.
So the Congress party is not just gonna let it pass?
Will not let it pass, definitely. This is not, we're not doing it for the party. Yeah. We're doing it for public at large. We're doing it for the constitution. We're doing it for the democracy. We're doing it for people who voted for the Congress party, right? We're doing it for them. Yeah. We don't foresee that the speaker will take a decision against this appeal. Then the speaker might be wrong in his assessment, right? So I don't think that the speaker is of that caliber which he does not understand the weight in which we put into this case. Yeah.
In the general public, they said that these three MLAs at that time they deserted three MLAs and they crossed that 2/3 majority. But that is not the fact. See that the beginning of the case is that on the 12th. From the party, after they have sensed that these some MLAs they will leave the party. The party at that time they send a notice. They call a meeting to have on 16 August 2024. So in that meeting, only two MLAs that Gabriel Walang and Charles
Marngar did not come.
But Roni and Dr. Celestin they came and
so on the nutshell, nobody left in one shot. They left in bits and pieces, and it took time for them to do the leaving. Somebody had already declared that they had left, and then the other person left much later than that, which obviously theoretically legally speaking is definitely not allowed. Yeah, Roni's merger is accepted by the speaker on the presumption that the earlier one was okay, na? Are you getting?
And he even withdrew the petition in the court. Pardon? From the court. He
did not withdraw the petition from the court because he withdrew. So it was that's the whole
because
point.
After he
became nullified, right? Because he was a petitioner himself. No. Yeah.
So you are agitating before the speaker. So
we're not agitating. We're filing.
Right now we are filing a petition.
I mean that is a
legal
legal term.
We are not agitating.